Hey, so I'm just opening up this twin-sized bed frame that I was gifted by the brand Garvee. So thank you so much to the brand for gifting this to me. If you have a small space, a guest room, a kid's bedroom, and this is probably a great option, this twin-size bed frame. So it comes packaged really well. All of the pieces. So it's this is a fabric. It's like a velour velvet bed, and all of the pieces come individually wrapped to keep them nice and clean and dust free, which is great. So love that about it, that it's packaged with care. This is a sort of a cream beige color, so it would look good in any room, guest room, boy, girl room, because you can do anything with it to get it to whatever style you want. And just looking at all of the pieces here, so it will take a bit to put together because there are quite a bit of pieces, but everything is labeled nicely, comes with a full installation manual. These are going to be the slats that the bed goes on. So I will now start putting it together, and I will give you an idea of how long it took me to put it together and show you the final product. Okay, so here we have the headboard all put together, and so far that's taken me maybe 15-20 minutes. Okay. And it is coming along. We've got the frame together now. We just need to put the centerpieces for supports and the slats in. It's probably taken me another 20 minutes to this point. And here it is all put together. So it took less than an hour to put the whole thing together. The instructions, super easy to follow. Everything is labeled properly. One of the slats, one of the things about them, they've got Velcro on the side, so they fit onto the boards here. You can stretch them out and then they attach on, so nice and sturdy, so they're not going to move around. That's a great thing about these, because some of the other ones where the slats are loose, the more you move around in the bed, the slats will move around, and then it's not an even sleep, and the mattress can wobble around. So this will keep it nice and sturdy. Great low profile, won't take up a lot of room in a bedroom. It's great for a guest room or a child's bedroom. It's a nice simple design, looks great. It is a nice velour finish here, so feels good, nice and soft, and great look to put together. The price point on this you can't beat, so highly recommend getting one of these. Thanks again to the brand for gifting it.